Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can make this awesome YouTube thumbnail with gravity and rip paper effect on Canva. So first, you just need to use the thumbnail design like this. Use the thumbnail size, and then click on the photos and use the graffiti background. Find the graffiti background and find the one you like. Okay, I'm going to use this one, set it as background, and now add the photos that you want in the thumbnail. You can add your own photos here. Okay, I'm going to use this one. So you need to make sure that it doesn't have a background, or you can use the background remover from Canva. Here you can just adjust the size of the photo, and then after that click on the photo and go to the edit image. Here click on the shadows and use the glow. Now adjust the transparency into 100 and the size. And here I'm going to change the outline color to white. Okay, like that. I'm going to lower the blur and make the size bigger, like this. Okay, now click on apply and then change the, you can just go to elements. Here find elements and find the paper elements. Okay, I'm going to select this rip paper elements, and you can just duplicate it and adjust it to your liking. I'm going to go with this, then just select it and group it. Okay, now it has been grouped. You can just adjust the position, and after that add the text that you want. You can just add the text, any text that you want, and adjust the size. Okay, so now I'm going to change the phone into the drunken more. You can just use any font, but I'm using this font right here. Drunken hour. Click on that. And then after that, click on the background and add some filter into the background. Click on edit image. Find filter. And here you can just use the one that you want. I'm going to use this whimsical filter. Then lastly, I'm going to add halftone elements and put it in the background. Okay, this one, I'm going to put it in the background. So adjust the size and adjust the transparency and put it at the back like that. Duplicate it and put it on the other side. Okay, so now you are done, and that's basically it. I hope this tutorial will be helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also click on the thanks button. Bye.